Alright, you are welcome to NAMG, Newbies Affiliate Marketing Guide. It's a proven step-by-step guide and strategy that will help you to succeed and make so much money from affiliate marketing. Yes, and it's just like holding you by your hands till you succeed in this affiliate marketing journey. So that is what this NAMG is all about. Then myself, I am Louis Chuku, who have made more than $10,000 from affiliate marketing using only my smartphone. Yes, so you made a great choice today to start affiliate marketing. So this particular NAMG, which is Newbies Affiliate Marketing, here are the things you are going to learn. First, you're going to know all about affiliate marketing. Secondly, you're going to know the things needed to scale up in this affiliate marketing business. Thirdly, you're going to see the practical ways to create your affiliate marketing account for free. You're going to also know how to promote your digital products, and not only that, you're going to also learn everything that concerns lead generation. Yes, both the organic ways of generating leads and the paid ads. You're going to also learn how to generate massive leads on TikTok. That is how to run TikTok ads. So after you learn everything that concerns lead generation, you will now learn how to close all these leads to make so much money for yourself. And all these things that I'm telling you, I'm going to show you the practical ways to achieve all these results. You're going to make so much money for yourself after watching these videos. So calm down and jot some things down as I take you through. And please, as you're watching all these videos here, try your best to implement it bit by bit. If you watch section 1, you go and implement it to see that result. Yes, if you watch section 2, you go and implement it, practice it to see the same result as well, so that you will not miss anything. You're here to make money and know what affiliate marketing is all about and how to pack so much money from it, right? You have to take these things so serious. It is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not get rich quick scheme as well, but this NAMG, Newbies Affiliate Marketing Guide, have solved every issues for you. All you need to do is watch and practice immediately. Yes, affiliate marketing is a legit business and it will help you to make so much money for yourself. For a couple of years right now that I've been doing affiliate marketing for 2 years, I've not served anybody. Yes, you can become your own boss with your smartphone via affiliate marketing. You don't even need to go out to make so much money from affiliate marketing. So see you in section 1. You're welcome to section 1. In this particular section, you're going to know all that concerns affiliate marketing, whether it's a legit business or not. But before we proceed, let's go to Google. If you go to Google and type, is affiliate marketing a legit business? Is affiliate marketing legit? You will see what is there to tell you that yes, affiliate marketing is a legit business and you can make so much money from it. You can see what is in Google. Affiliate marketing remains a legitimate online business model. So yes, affiliate marketing is a legit business that have lasted for 200 years. But if you're even starting it today, you still have a lot to benefit. Now, what is this affiliate marketing all about? Affiliate marketing is just you recommending digital products in the online space and you get paid 50 to 80% commission whenever you make a sale. For instance, you're just a middleman connecting customers to vendors. You help vendors to sell their products and you get paid. Don't see it as a very hard something. People are making millions from this every single week. You can even see a 15 years old boy who made 500k just with his smartphone. Yes, age is never a barrier when it comes to earning from affiliate marketing. Even if you are a stay-at-home mom, a stay-at-home dad, you can still earn huge from this. You can even see different testimonials of people who earns a lot from affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing pays you weekly. You can withdraw your money anytime you like. But some platforms do pays on Fridays, on Mondays, on Saturdays, on Sundays, depending on that particular platform. But some platform pays you, you can withdraw your money anytime you like. I'm going to still help you to explain all these things and how you are going to still withdraw your money no matter anywhere you are in the world. It's true affiliate marketing pays in different currencies like dollar, pounds, Uganda shillings, Kenya shillings, cedis for Ghanaians, rand for South Africans, kwacha for Zambia, and so many of them. But it is not a must that you are going to have different accounts in all these countries before you be able to withdraw your money. No, affiliate marketing platforms will help you to convert all these your earnings or whatever you made to be able to withdraw it in your own local bank account. For instance, if you are from Ghana and you only have Momo, you can still do affiliate marketing. Or you have ATM mobile money account or MTN mobile money account, you can still do affiliate marketing and withdraw your money even if you don't have bank account. I mean local bank account. Even if you are from Nigeria, you only have OPay, PalmPay, and all this online banking. Maybe you don't have Fidelity Bank, Access Bank, Zenith Bank. You can still do affiliate marketing and withdraw all your money. Maybe you earn from Rand, which is South Africa, or you earn from Kwacha, which is Zambia, or you earn from cedis, which is Ghana, or you earn from shillings, which is Kenya and Uganda. You can still withdraw it in your OPay to be able to spend your money anytime you like. So you don't really need to have different accounts before you be able to earn or withdraw from affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is worldwide. It's not only for Africans, it is worldwide, and that is what most white people are doing. Now, who is affiliate marketing for? Who can do affiliate marketing? Everybody can do affiliate marketing. Age is never a barrier. Even if you're a stay-at-home mom, dad, you can still do affiliate marketing. Even if you want to make extra cash for yourself in the online space, you can still do affiliate marketing. Even if you have a small break, maybe you are doing 9 to 5, you can still do affiliate marketing at any time. Maybe 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, you can still do affiliate marketing and earn so much money for yourself. Now, what are the tools you need to start affiliate marketing? You don't really need much to start affiliate marketing. Only your smartphone or laptop is what you need to start. If you don't have laptop, you can use smartphone, Android to do affiliate marketing. Maybe the one you're using to watch this particular video. And another thing is that you don't need to own a shop before you start affiliate marketing. You don't need to own a product before you start affiliate marketing. No. As far as you have a smartphone and laptop with internet connection, that's data, you can log into any affiliate marketing platform and make so much money for yourself. I'm going to still give you full details, full guide on how to create your affiliate marketing account for free. So now that you have know what affiliate marketing is all about and you have already know the things you need to scale up in affiliate marketing, you are now even aware that age is never a barrier in affiliate marketing. Mommies are doing it. Kids, 14, 16 years old boys and girls are still doing affiliate marketing as well. Even students are still doing affiliate marketing too. So now that you know all these things, what affiliate marketing is all about, the things you need to scale up. Now, see you in next section, where you are going to see practical ways to create affiliate marketing accounts for free. Practical ways to do that. So see you in next section.